what's going on. So, we want to cook out. We're two lesbians. You think, two lesbians? Of course we can grill out. No, we can't. So, we looked on YouTube. A bunch of dumbass boys being pyrotechnics and not really teaching us anything. So I figured it out. I looked at the pictures on the back. Alright, so let's see if we can work this out. Grill. Come closer. Inside. I think you take this off, okay? And the little bag, pictures on the back. So we started off good because it says no lighter fluid needed. I already don't know how to use the grill, so add lighter fluid and I'll burn my eyebrows off. As little as I already have, okay? So, the little bag says no more than 3 pounds. Well, how the fuck are you supposed to know what 3 pounds is? Is there a little scale in there? I mean, come on. Alright, so I'm gonna guess. Alright, let's see. Inside the bag, okay. There we go. Let's pour these suckers on here. I'm gonna follow the picture. I don't know if that's 3 pounds or not. Alright, come look. I think that works. Alright, it says put it in a pyramid. So I'm supposed to play blocks right here. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Like an erector set or something? Play with my toys? Build it like this? I didn't do well in math, so what the hell's a period? Period. Oh, I'm a woman. Pyramid. Supposed to look like. Alright. I think that works. I need one of those little red flags to put in the middle there. Ta-da! Alright. I'm not afraid to get dirty. Well, just a little bit. Alright. Okay, so now what do we do? Light pile briskets immediately in several places. Okay? No lighter fluid, gasoline, electric starter, or chimney style starter. Alright, well, I knew that much. So, grill and fireplace matches. I need dummy-proof utensils, accessories for a dummy. There's no pictures on this though. Alright. So, what's this? Do we just take all of them and throw them in there? I have no idea. Okay. I guess maybe we should probably keep that. Oh, okay. Alright, alright. So let's keep that on there. I'm gonna pull, I guess we just, oh, nice, okay. Alright. Let's see how this works. I know how to do that. Okay. There's no pictures on my box. I don't know what to do. Look, does it just light like that? Oh, okay. Alright. Let's see if that works. Oh, cool. So wait. Oh, okay. Wait, do I throw the whole thing in there? Whoa! Shit! Okay, alright, do I just, okay, was I supposed to throw that in there? Oh shit, well I guess our turkey burgers are gonna taste like a chopstick. Look, I did it! Sort of. Alright, that's supposed to burn. Yeah! Come look! Oh shit. Maybe we should have water with us just in case it gets out of control. There goes that stick of wood. So what do? You just stand there and look at it? Alright, let's look at pictures. In approximately 10 minutes, or when pile is predominantly ashed over, spread biscuits. I'm hungry. I don't want to wait for it. Okay. Briskets evenly. Wait 5 minutes to begin cooking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll come back in 10 minutes. Bye.